Hey everybody, how's it going? Jared Stewart here from Stewart Survival. I got another package in from OneTigris, and we're going to open it up. It's a holster, and we're going to see how it looks. What's made out of everything. First thing you notice, it comes with its cards, its warranty cards, there's little information on it telling you what kind of material it's made out of. High abrasion resistant, it says. And we're going to look at it and see how it goes. Get these things out of here. Oh no. Well, one of the first things I notice is that the snap, the crimp came free. And I know that happens, being an upholsterer and everything. I've had that happen to me. And I'm sure if they do what their cards say, that they will send a new one to you for free of charge. Well, let's take a look at everything else on this. So, I really like the soft touch of this material. And it does feel like it does have some good abrasion resistance, like it said on that card. It's got some MOLLE loops on the back, MOLLE straps. A place for a magazine to go, or a flashlight or something. Velcro sticks pretty good. Let's check these snaps up since the other one came free. Let's see how well these ones work. Both of them stayed. Things are sewed on there pretty good. Those snaps stayed pretty good. The snap quite solid too. Open up, see what we got on the inside. The Velcro does seem to hold pretty good. Comes with a strap in here, it looks like, for adjustment of different weapon systems. Different size pistols. Let's test that out. Seam around the outside edge, the binding looks really good. Whoever sewed it, super straight on it. All the way around. Yeah, I mean, and this webbing that this thing went through, it's pretty thick, so I could see it may be bending one every once in a while. No problem with these snaps. It's pretty thick stuff there. But other than that, that looks great. The craftsmanship and the material all look really reasonable. I like it. Let's see how well it holds different pistols. Like any pistol or weapon, you always want to make sure they're clear. And I got my 9mm M&P shield here, and we're going to put it in here and see how well this thing holds it. Use a adjustment strap. Got that adjustment strap. Pull it up. Pull it up. Like I said, it's got a magazine pouch. I'm going to use my extended mag. See how well it fits. And it doesn't shake out or anything like that. It's in there pretty firm. Definitely like the way it looks. I'll put on my vest later and see how well it holds on there and looks. But we'll check another pistol really quick. Alright, I got my Smith & Wesson 40 caliber 990L here. Make an adjustment. Check out the mags. Much bigger mag for this weapon, pistol. And you can definitely put a larger pistol in here if you needed to, for sure. There's still room for play. You get this magazine strap, you got some room in there for a larger mag. Overall, I think it's doing pretty good. Let me grab my vest. I'll throw it on my vest real quick, and then we'll see how well it looks. I also have to say real quick that it did come with a catalog. It's got all sorts of really cool stuff that OneTigris does. I kind of like looking through it, and the wife enjoyed it. So if you order something, you might get this, and you can look for more stuff. Alright, I'm back. I got it on my vest. Kind of like the way it sits, feels. And as I was doing this, I realized it has a quick release kind of fashion that I think is what it's meant for. I'm not sure, but I kind of like it. The way I figured to use it. You pull it, and you can get right to your pistol. Oh yeah. I don't know. I kind of like it. I know the snaps broke on it, but I think this holster is really awesome. I'm definitely going to keep it on my vest. Thank you, OneTigris, for letting me review this. Like I said, I'm sure OneTigris will replace if they have any problem with that. It says so on their card, 100% guarantee, warranty. Yeah, thank you for letting me review this, OneTigris, and I hope everybody has a nice day.